Okay, Jenna reporting in for a Thursday afternoon. Got the ciggies, got the ciggy, got the juicing, got the dare ice coffee. Now, got travel guides playing on the TV. Now, we're going to talk about prices are down. Down, down, prices are down. Down, down, prices are down. We have $7 pizzas, $7 pepperoni pizzas, $7 ham and cheese pizzas, $7 beef and onion pizzas, $7 margarita pizzas, $7 pepperoni pizzas. We have $13 packets of ciggies, huh? We have $13 packets of ciggies. We have $30 boxes of Chop Chop. We have free chalky, free dare ice coffee, huh? We have $40 brand new goggles. We have $40 100% brand new goggles. We have $15 Bond Zipper goggles from sponsored friends, huh? From friends sponsored by Bond Zipper. We have $50 watch. We have $15 watch, huh? We have $700 laptop from the Islamic Brotherhood. $700 laptop free from the Islamic Brotherhood. We have $1,000 TV from JB Hi-Fi free from the Islamic Brotherhood. We have new guitar swap for free from Jace, my old guitar. We have brand new white band shoes. $20 from my sponsored friend. $20 sponsored by Vans, huh? Then we have brand new blue band shoes. $15 from Williamstown Op Shop, huh? $15 from Williamstown Op Shop, huh? We have Gold Coast skateboard worth $300 brand new, but $99 from Croydon Cash Converters. We have free chalky. We have $20 skateboards from the Riverside Skate Park, YMCA Skate Shop. Huh? We have $7 3 pairs of socks. $7 3 pairs of socks from Coles. And we have $20 Cleveland Cavaliers shirt. $20 Cleveland Cavaliers shirt. $20 Cleveland Cavaliers shirt. $20 Cleveland Cavaliers shirt from the op shop at Williamstown. Brand new Cleveland extra large Cleveland Cavaliers shirt from the op shop at Williamstown. Cleveland Cavaliers shirt to match the purple New York jacket and the white Oakley goggles with the yellow lenses, the orange lenses. All matching kit. This is what I'm going to be wearing for Vans Go Skate Day. Cleveland Cavaliers number 2, Kyrie Irving. Matching white and yellow goggles with yellow lenses. Oakley's purple New York jacket. Black, green, dark green, black Nike shoes, Eric Costin. And black skater shorts. Brand new socks from the Coles, huh? $7 for a 3 pair. 2 watches, brand new watches. Silver Dubai ring with a polished Turkish stone. All cool.